Okay, here's our next section. This is measure 7 and 8. Triplet, 3, 4. La, da, 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 da. Make sure these are even. And I articulate that. Don't articulate that. This is all slurred. Okay, make sure this to this is as pretty as you can get it. Okay, here we go. Measure 7 and 8. 2, 3. It's marked as piano, but to me that doesn't, like, you can kind of like play with it and see what you like the best. We are going into forte in the next section, so we do have a contrasting thing. Just be careful not to be dead and soft for no reason. Have some shape to it, especially getting down to that low D. You've got to have enough air going through it so that it doesn't honk at you or you get overtones.